The 12 sense sources. Eye, ear, nose, tongue, body, mind. Form, sound, smell, taste, textures, and mental objects are the 12 sense sources. From eye and forms to mind and mental objects, the name sense sources is used. The 7 consciousness elements are included within the mental sense source. Mind is the perceiver subject of all phenomena. Through the conceptual mind, phenomena are designated as substantial, with or without being labelled, by means of an appearance or through excluding other things, through either opposing or linking as objects or subjects. Through this variety of terms, one becomes undeluded in the meaning of knowables. Apparent, taken, apprehended, and engaged are the 4 aspects of objects. The subject, the intellect, has a 7-fold division. With regard to appearances, there is uncertainty and assumption. With regard to appearances, there is uncertainty and assumption. Lack of understanding, misunderstanding, doubts, the 2 valid cognitions of direct perception and inference, and decisiveness. All intellects can be grouped under 4 aspects: non-understanding, misunderstanding, doubts, and correct understanding. Specifically defined object and mental other exclusions. 2. Elimination and determination. 2. Elimination of the impossible, of the lack of endowment, and of other endowments. Distinguisher of the meaning, of the basis, and of oneself. And so forth. There are many divisions. non-coexistent and
Pence Pongal number ni.
mutually exclusive are two types of opposition.
Tombo longa tunga ni.
First, mental and factual oppositions. 2.
Nipa ungal jungal ni.
Second, direct and indirect oppositions. 2.
Ndrela dokchi ndrela tang.
There are two types of relationship. Same entity and
Tenjong ndrela namni so.
resultant relationships.
Tanye rong namni la.
There are different classifications for terms.
Shijun yu patanye sam.
Terms are defined as known, described, or enacted. 3.
Tong tu hida hipa tang.
Terms made of things seen, heard, discerned, and
Nyong tanye number ye.
experienced are the 4 aspects of terms.
Yan yu dup tong mem gap.
Establishing as an identity or as a presence, and refuting as a lack of identity or as an absence,
Gal dup tanye yang ye.
are the 4 branches of terms establishing and refuting.
Chukam dana nongwa zup.
If one condenses all phenomena, the form of appearances,
Zo sam dong kor san hyong.
the principal mind, the accompanying mental events,
Demon de hin duma hi.
the non-concurrent formations, and the uncompounded,
Hiya yunga terenda wo.
are the 5 bases that contain all knowables.
Hiya yutu long hit ya.
The 6 outer objects are experienced and
Nong tu po hyo hit la.
the 6 inner faculties are experiencing.
Hian che teda na so bi.
Through understanding the various sense sources,
Bola sabur zambar tok.
the clinging to an enjoyer with regard to self is averted.